Hi guys, in CWQ here. Um, Rebecca. I tried to do live stream today from my phone, and well, I think both videos that I did were a flop. Um, I did notice something, and I'm going to show you. So this was weird, and I've never seen this before. So we're going to my video that I did, and go to content, live, and I'll show you how these videos came out. At least this is how I'm seeing
Person.
it. You can see everything down on the bottom here disappeared. And I'm like, never seen that before. I don't know how to fix it. The only thing I can think is if you can pop the video out. I'm trying to figure out how to do it. I know that I did it by opening up another window somehow. Let me see. Um,
Hello, person. Why are you still here?
I think there's a
You used
means
to.
to pop it out up here. Yeah, you can pop it out by pushing that button up there in the
Okay, guys,
corner,
sorry, my
and it'll pop out, and then you'll be able to view the whole video. Because you can't see where it ends at, and I can't fix this. I don't know how to. Um, uh, Listen, this is getting annoying. Um, so I don't know how to fix it, but if anybody that watches the stream knows how to, leave me a comment and let me know how to fix it. Maybe it's a phone issue, or a tablet issue that I can set a setting for. I would like to be able to do more live streams and use my tablet to do stuff with when I'm being creative. Today was just for fun. I did get frustrated at one point because we left the gas station and I forgot to pump the gas. That ah, I'm just a little bit what do you call it? Absent-minded today. So yeah, I forgot to pump my gas and put it in the car. Not something I normally do. Anyways, I just thought if maybe somebody can give me some kind of idea on how to fix that, that would be great. Second, as y'all know, I have Buy Me a Cup of Coffee site, and I post the videos on here, and you can watch them directly
hi
from
guys, and
my
good
coffee
morning.
site. You can watch them directly from there. And if you leave me a like, that is awesome. If you leave me comments, that's awesome. This little button here is to send me a message. If you want to send a message, this button here is to share the video, so you can either copy the link or tweet it. Um, it would be awesome if to get views over on this site. I have been getting views, but um, it'd be awesome to know that people from my YouTube channel are actually here and watching. Like yesterday's videos, I got 100 and where is it? One of these videos I got 100 and something views on. Um, and it makes me smile. So let me see. One of them got 100 and something views, and I don't see it anymore because it's hidden in the system here. And then I did a private video or a private thing for my supporters and subscribers only. These pictures here that I did, the art pieces that I did, you can right click on them, copy image, save image, or use it as a wallpaper. Um, they're free for my subscribers only, and you can tell that they are signed by me. And those are for my subscribers and my um, viewers only. This is the one that I got 100 and I believe 100 and something views on. Um, that was for the earthquake update to 11/2024. But the one for earthquakes in the USA and around the world is available now, and it has gotten views. But I just wanted to make sure that everybody knows that I have this site. You're welcome on it. Um, you're welcome to watch the videos on here. I post updates as well as my thoughts on earthquakes around the world and fun stuff. Anyways, you guys, just checking in. If anybody knows how to fix the issue that I'm having with my live streaming, please let me know. I don't know what that is. That's the first time I've seen that. It looked like something off the coast here. And that looks like almost the same place that that earthquake happened at. All right, you guys, much love. God bless. And I hope to see y'all again soon. Have a great day. Also, unless there's anything big in the world, I will not be online tomorrow, which is Saturday, or no, I will not be online Saturday or Sunday. I am going to be taking the weekend off. I do need some downtime. I have some things that I got to get done. Um, Tomorrow will be my last video for the week, unless something big happens. I will look at EMSC real quick and see what's going on in the world. That is not earthquakes. Okay, so let's see. Peru had a 3.8. Looking to see if there's anything big. Mindoro, Philippines had a 4.1 at 100 kilometers depth. Banda Sea had a 4.0 at 201 kilometers depth. Uyai, Argentina had a 3.1 at 232 kilometers deep. Kuril Islands had a 5.1. Banda Sea had a 4.1 at 213 kilometers deep. And let's go, well, off the coast of Oregon had a 3.4 7 hours ago. So I think that's the second one for off the coast of Oregon. Let's take a look. And, huh? I don't know, baby. Okay, so there was a 2.8 last night, and there was a 3.4 today. So the 3.4, let's see where it's located. Okay, 3.4 is located over here off of California. Let's see, I'm going to add a, um, I know how to do this. I do know how to do this. Let's add this one. Okay, that's the oceanic transform fault. And let's add one more. We want California faults. Okay, so, and I want one more, but I don't have it. Uh, Let me click on you. There you go. That's the subduction zone there. Anyway, This earthquake is off the coast of California here. I don't have any of the stuff on this Google Earth. I need to turn on names, but I don't have names. Let's see here. Settings. I'm learning stuff on this. So give me learning, but you know what the difference is here? It doesn't have like place names. So has these, but like I want to see layers, everything. Okay. So I just turned on everything. So this area was most recently updated, I guess, but I don't like that. So let's turn that off because I don't want to do that. Well, I'll figure it out. And now I forgot where it was. Huh, I'm doing good. Okay, you guys. Y'all are seeing what I'm going to. Okay. Where did I find it? Oh, shoot. Well, I'm going to turn that off because I don't like that. Let's show this in 3D. So this is in 3D, and you can see all the ridges that go through here. That's just part of the Wanda Fuca. Aha, I'm going to turn that off. Okay, I turned that off. Yay. I just remembered where it was. I'm good, right? Okay. I'm still learning because this is a new one for me. I used to use this Google Earth a long time back to do videos, and I haven't used it in years. So it's something that's still new for me now. All right, you guys, much love, God bless, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a great day, night, or evening, wherever you are. Much love, or morning.